has written. So it is the API when you are cross-domain HTTP request, because I don't know if you know that, but you can't use XML HTTP request from your own domain to another one, right? But you can, if the HTTP headers, if the HTTP server, the remote one, allows you to do that with some headers, it's possible. It's something I'll show you. And form data. Form data is basically being able to do like the normal forms you have in website, but with JavaScript. It's not like an XML request. It's more like multi-part request. I'm going to go through the detail because it's boring. So for this demo, I need a special build. So okay. Here we are. Awesome. It's Firefox again. It's a different version of Firefox. You're going to understand why I picked it. So it's a super simple file encoder. Okay. I show you now. So I'm gonna. Well, wait. Okay, it's here. Okay. Oh, it's here. Sorry. So I'm gonna drag and drop stuff. Okay. Where is that? It's here. Something here. Okay. Hope it's gonna work. That's something before. Let me do this one. Okay. So, oops, I don't want to do that. So, well, drag and drop, right? It's not that new now. Since Gmail do that, it's normal, I would say. What's new here? So, I'm not going to talk to any server, okay? It's still client-side. So here, the thing we didn't realize is that first I resize all the images, okay? If you drag and drop something bigger than, I don't know, 3 megabytes, I just resize everything to something way smaller, okay? Because I'm going to send that to a server, okay? So I want to make sure it's not too big. So I resize everything, it works offline, so this thing, the 4 images here are stored in my cache, like local storage. So just to show you how it works, I can just close this thing, close this one, and loading from my local storage. Okay. I use app cache, so it works as well if you don't have. You can load the application. If you've been to the application before, you can in the train or in the plane and use this application, whatever. Like I said, native drag and drop. Because you can do stuff like this, I can, so like I said, I can edit the image before sending it. This is really cool. So think about all the things you can do with that. You have Canvas, right? Canvas 2D, so you can do whatever you want. You can do rotation, blah, blah, blah. Black and white, like I said, you can, I can use native drag and drop. Okay, I can add stuff, my image, right? Wow. This is useless, whatever. And can I have black and white, blah, blah, blah. And this is me. Myself. Okay, and I can. And I work for Mozilla. Right? Yeah. This is me. And I can, okay. So it's stolen for that is. I can send, then I'm supposed to show. Okay, I think so. I send everything. Okay, so I'm sure it's working. So I can give everything to imagio.com. Okay, so let's look at this thing. Using this one. Yeah, awesome. See? Woo! Because the guy who's behind imagio.com has been kind enough to allow cross-domain XML HTTP requests. So it's nothing to do. Okay. I want to try something else. Okay, so I'm going to try that. Wait a minute. Okay, you don't see it? It was the camera. So this is me. I just take a picture from my thing. Want to do it again? You can do it again. Or and drag and drop also if I want to remove something. This is real drag and drop, okay? It's not like. So I do it again. You didn't get it because it's like real. I'm going to take a picture from the webcam. Not sure you can see something, it's really dark, so but whatever. Okay? Or and also extending the stuff again. This is the website of someone I know. And I can do stuff like that. Things. It's better than the Flash uploader, right? So next thing. So you have the description, you were able to go to this link if you had the slides on the computer, but you don't. So that was really boring. Let's talk about fun stuff. The graphics. So, well, this is almost my last slide. But wait. So today, think about WebKit. Think about Firefox, especially Firefox 4. Think about Opera. It's getting awesome. Especially if you start thinking about what we've been able to do in the last 3 years and where we're going to, right? So JavaScript is more and more, getting more and more faster, right? And we have the video tag, right? We have the audio tag. It doesn't sound exciting with the audio tag, but I'm going to show you stuff. We have Canvas 3D. We have WebGL, which is Canvas 3D. I'm going to show you later. Audio API. We have the web workers. AZG, hardware acceleration. Wow, it's a lot of things. And we're going to have these technologies, right? And we need to come with new ideas, right? New stuff, new big things we can do on a web page. It's not anymore like just Twitter. Twitter is awesome to think about the server. It's awesome what they've been able to do, right? But think about the front end. It's not that big, right? But with these technologies, you can create, wow, big stuff. And the big stuff I want to show, I want to talk about, I'm going to show everything. So it's about native application versus web application, right? It's not working everywhere again, but most of these technologies, I say most, actually all these technologies work on my phone as well, on Firefox, but I'm sure it's going to come with WebKit. Like WebKit is awesome on desktop, they're going to be awesome on mobile as well. We don't even have Firefox on mobile yet. It's still like beta and stuff like that. But think about the next 3 years. It's going to be normal to have Firefox and Chrome and do the same things on desktop and mobile, hopefully. Not exactly the same thing, but we're using the same technologies. WebGL, the step I'm going to show you, works here. Maybe not this application, but. So, my little slide. Okay. So this is where it's getting crazy. So sometimes it's track, sometimes it's whatever. Okay. I'm going to start with some 3D, then audio and stuff. First, I want to show you something which is supposed to run on the phone, but I'm going to show you the desktop version. Okay. It's about web workers. So let me try and grab something here. Where is it? Okay. This is me. Maybe it's going to remind you. Oh, it's work in progress. Okay, it doesn't look good, but we don't care. I mean, they don't care. Oops. Okay. So I just run a JavaScript script in the background. Okay. And I can just like that. Yeah, it was about fat width. I don't know if you know this. The iPhone application was like, okay, fat width. Why do you need a native application? I can do that with a web worker. So I did it with a web worker. So. But 2D, you know, it's like, so 2005. No, not 2005, whatever. I want to talk about 3D now. So, how does 3D work? Let's see. Can you switch off the lights? So this is a canvas 3D thing. Just to show you, this is running on, this is the web page. Right? This is WebGL. Right? So WebGL is a way with JavaScript to talk to geographic cards through an API named OpenGRES, a subset of OpenGR. Why ES? Because it's working on my phone as well. Here maybe not this thing because you have a lot of images, but it's possible. So this is 3D, okay? Well, that's all. That's just 3D. But now let's try to do something else, like this thing. So, oh, I'm supposed to have audio somewhere? I don't see them. Listen now. Sorry. The other music.
We're just doing sound on the board.
Okay. Working or not? Sorry? That's not working? Oh, really? Shit.
Do you got the mic? Okay, you bring a light in.
Yeah, I got my section. It's actually something like that.
So the mic on the laptop.
I think it's my computer. I don't see anything.
You do that like your speakers?
No, I no. Oh, wait, because there's no sound. That's why there's no sound. I need you to check something, okay? Okay, there's something. Okay. Awesome. So this is a video, okay? It's not a video actually. It's WebGL. What? WebGL? Yes, it is. I show you the same thing without the CSS, okay? And you're gonna, so this is the video. Does it make sense now? Right? It's a panoramic video. Wow. Well, so we're